This brand is made by Unitary Products Group, which is a part of Johnson Controls. They are made in America and sold in the USA through a factory-authorized dealer network. The units use stamped slotted panel construction, which is cheaper but does not protect the condenser coil, as well as units with louvered panels. They have durable powder coat paint and are field convertible from roof mount, down discharge, to slab mount, side discharge. All of the units have variable speed blower motors for quieter and more efficient operation, but their warranty is only average when compared to other brands and does not have a unit replacement guarantee in case of compressor or heat exchanger failure. The PCG4 models pair a basic 13.4 AC unit with a basic single-stage 81% gas furnace, while the PHG4 models combine a basic single-stage heat pump with the basic gas furnace. The PCG6 models combine a premium 2-stage 15.2 SEER 2 air conditioner with a premium 2-stage 81% AFUE gas furnace, while the PHG6 units pair a premium 2-stage heat pump with a premium 2-stage gas furnace.